Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting video on Iran walking tour. Today, we are going to explore the beautiful streets of Iran and immerse ourselves in the rich culture and history of this amazing city. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey with us as we uncover the hidden gems of Iran. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content. Let's get started. You might think that Iran is a poor and sad country, or that strict religious ceremonies are only performed there. Tonight we want to take you to a celebration of light. Yes, every year in Iran and in the city of Mashhad, a festival called Shahr Noor is held, in which they celebrate the arrival of the new year and spring with the use of colored lights and attractive visual effects, and various programs such as fireworks and theater, and the show is held. This festival starts for a month from the first day of the year, and every year many people from all over Iran visit it and take pictures and videos. You should also know that this festival is held in Mashhad's Sangi Park, and people visit the park and nearby shops after participating in the festival. We hope you enjoy watching this festival of light.
شاید پیدا نکنه.
خیلی صافه.
ما رو سرگرم بکنه برای اینکه کمتر به موضوعات مهم اساسی زندگی بپردازیم، با فرزندانمون صحبت کنیم. ما دقایق دیگه حدود ساعت 10:15 انشاءالله با نمایش سوممون که نمایش آینی است به نام قصیده ابدی در همین فضا در خدمتتون هستیم. امیدواریم که اونجا هم حضور شما رو داشته باشیم. اگر عزیزان تمایل داشتن با دوستان بازیگر ما عکس بگیرن، بچه‌ها میان صفحه راست استیج جلوی پرده سفید میستن در خدمت شما برای عکاسی.